In this Wellcare AI review, I'm about to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about the best AI software just released, Wellcare AI. If you're looking to find out if this is the right AI tool for your needs, stick around because what I'm going to share could save you time, money, and help you stay ahead of the curve with the latest AI trends. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Wellcare AI is worth your time and how you can try it for free today. First off, Wellcare AI is an innovative tool that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline and automate healthcare services. Whether you're a provider, a patient, or a business in the healthcare space, this software can seriously upgrade your operations. It's designed to enhance efficiency, reduce errors, and ultimately provide better patient outcomes. But what makes it stand out from the rest? One of the key things to understand about Wellcare AI is its adaptability. It integrates seamlessly with existing healthcare systems and workflows, meaning you don't have to completely overhaul your processes. It works with the software you already use and helps automate tasks like scheduling, patient monitoring, and even personalized health recommendations. Next up is its ability to learn from data. Wellcare AI is built on a machine learning backbone that continuously improves as it processes more information. It can identify patterns in patient data that might go unnoticed by human professionals, and in doing so, it can suggest treatments or interventions that are more accurate and personalized. That's a huge benefit when it comes to enhancing patient care and improving outcomes. Now, let's talk about accessibility. Wellcare AI is built with the user in mind, which means it's incredibly intuitive to use. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll find the interface straightforward, with a clear dashboard and easy to understand metrics. This removes the usual learning curve that comes with adopting new technology, so you can start seeing the benefits right away. Another feature worth mentioning is its ability to reduce administrative costs. Healthcare providers are often bogged down by repetitive administrative tasks, things like managing appointments, processing billing, and handling patient inquiries. Wellcare AI automates many of these tasks, freeing up your team to focus on what really matters, caring for patients. This can lead to significant savings for practices, hospitals, and clinics alike. Wellcare AI also features advanced security protocols. In the healthcare industry, protecting patient data is paramount, and Wellcare AI takes this seriously. It complies with the highest standards of security, including hyper-compliance, so you can rest assured that your sensitive data is safe and protected at all times. One of the most exciting aspects of Wellcare AI is its potential for future updates and improvements. The team behind this software is constantly improving and adding new features based on user feedback and the latest advancements in AI. That means Wellcare AI will continue to evolve and get even better as time goes on, giving you long-term value. Lastly, what really sets Wellcare AI apart is the support you get. The software comes with robust customer support, including 24/7 access to experts who can help you troubleshoot issues, optimize your system, and get the most out of your investment. With such a responsive support team, you're never left in the dark when you run into challenges. If you want to give Wellcare AI a try, you can actually start using it completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to get started. But before you go, I want to let you know that after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've put together a list of my top recommended AI software for you to explore. You'll find them linked in the description, and they're all worth checking out for any business or professional looking to level up their game with cutting-edge technology. To wrap up, Wellcare AI is a powerful, intuitive, and ever-evolving software that could change the way healthcare providers operate. Whether you're looking to improve efficiency, reduce costs, or provide more personalized care, it's definitely worth considering. And remember, you can try it completely free through the link below.